Welcome to this video, this tutorial. Here, welcome to this video. We are going to see I can reset this phone without a PC. In case your phone is writing memory full or storage full, that's how you can reset it. Or the phone is hanging or nagging, or is having some issue, or the phone is taking time to boot. This is how you can restore it. So you boot the phone. When you go to setting, then you scroll down depending on what the phone is. The Samsung Galaxy S. Then you scroll down to management, and then you tap on reset. Good. And it will now take you to many options of reset. This is factory data reset, and that's what we're going to do. So that is one way you can find reset. Let's see another way you can find reset on any Android phone. So you tap on setting, then tap on search. On that setting, then type reset. Good, this is it, reset. Then you can see resets from general here. There are many resets, and what we're looking for is factory data reset. Factory data reset. So we'll tap on that, and now we choose factory data reset again. Make sure you charge your battery very well, or some phones will not allow you to do this if your battery is low or below 50%. Then we'll tap on reset, and then it said delete all. We'll tap on it. Then our phone will now reset. It will take some time depending on the phone before we boot for the first time after the reset. It's erasing. Just erased. You may write erasing or formatting, whichever way, depending on the phone. It will take some time before it will come up after the reset, and also depending on the phone. Good, they say let's go. So this is how you can activate Samsung after reset. You have to set it up. You scroll down, tap on I have agreed, and then tap next. Then we're going to skip this because I don't want to choose any Wi-Fi network. I'll skip it. But if you have email address, you have to enter it. I don't want to copy anything from here. Select don't copy. This process we have just done is what is called soft reset. Tap on accept here and skip again. I don't want to put any password, pattern, or pin, but if you want, don't skip, please. Add your password, pattern, or pin, or fingerprint, anyone. I skip again. I don't want to sign it for now. Then I tap on finish. Then you wait for the apps to load. This will also take a little time. So I've succeeded in performing what is called soft reset or reset on our Samsung Android phone. So this is it right here. Step 2. That was it. So let's do step 2. Then power off the phone first. Or method 2, which is hard reset. So this hard reset, what it did earlier was soft reset. Is off. Then I hold the up volume button, the volume up or volume positive or volume plus. Then press and hold the home button because this is Samsung. Then press power button. Then I will release my power button. It has entered what is called recovery mode. So we'll go to wipe data / factory reset. We use down volume to do that. Then the next thing we use a power button to select it. Then use down volume again to highlight factory data resets. Good. Then use power button again to select it. And that is it. Wait for it. It has finished wiping the data. Because remember, we just performed a soft reset. So that's why it didn't take much time. So we'll still use power button now to select reboot system now. Select with power button and wait for the phone to reboot. So that is it. That's how you can perform both soft resets or hard resets, and that's how you can reset any Android phone if it's having issue or if it's hanging. So that is it. We'll continue with the other ones.